Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As usual, my name is Chika, your interior designer. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to dive into the world of precision measurement with a tool that is essential for engineers, architects, and interior designers. The scale rule. It's okay if you don't know it. It's also okay if you have seen it but don't know how to use it. Whether you're a student or a professional or simply curious about the inner workings of this handy device, you've come to the right place. So let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's understand the purpose of the scale rule. This incredible tool is used for measuring and drawing scaled representations of objects and plans in fields like engineering, architecture, and interior design, as I mentioned. By accurately representing large dimensions on a smaller scale, professionals can work efficiently and effectively. Now, let's move to the different types of scale you can find on a scale rule. Scale rules typically have scales printed on their edges, and each represents a different unit of measurement or scale ratio. Some common scales include 1:1, 1:10, 1:20, 1:50, and 1:100, but it goes way higher than that. Now, these scales allows professionals to accurately measure and draw scaled representations of objects or plans. Familiarize yourself with the scales provided on the specific scale rule to make the most of its capabilities. Now, let's talk about the scale ratio. The scale ratio represents the relationship between the measurements on the scale rule and the actual measurements of the object or plan. For example, a 1:50 scale means that 1 unit on the scale rule represents 50 units in real life. Do you get that? Understanding the scale ratio is crucial for accurate measurements and drawings. Always keep this in mind when using a scale rule. Next, let's discuss the 0 point and how to read measurements on a scale rule. The 0 point or starting reference is usually marked with a 0 or 00. All measurements and drawings should be referenced from this point to maintain consistency. Additionally, be mindful that the scale rules may have different units of measurements on different edges. Ensure you use the correct edge for your task. For example, if measuring in meters, use the edge labeled M or meters. It would also have cm, which is centimeters as well. So ensure you are using the correct edge. Now let's talk about precision and accuracy. Precision and accuracy are paramount when using a scale rule. While it allows for precise measurements, it's crucial to handle it carefully and double check your measurements. Taking your time and ensuring accuracy in your work will yield the best results. Now let's move to our final point, which is practice, practice, and practice. Like every other tool, using a scale rule effectively takes practice, starting with simple drawings and measurements to get comfortable with the tool before tackling more complex projects. Over time, you will develop a better understanding of how to use the scale rule accurately. Remember to refer to the instructions provided with your specific scale rule tool for any additional guidelines or unique features. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today on scale rule tool. I hope you found this informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or suggestions or future videos you would like me to talk about, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be there to check it out, respond, and do whatever I need to do that. With practice, you'll master this indispensable tool and unleash your creative potential in engineering, architecture, or interior design. I like the sound of that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.